Hi guys, welcome to another video. I have finally got my hands on the Louis Vuitton Murakami collection pieces that I ordered back in December. I went down to London to pick them up. I'm going to unbox them right now. Let's get going. I ordered 2 pieces of the Murakami collection and those 2 pieces arrived in store and I went to collect them yesterday from London. And there's a little bit of a story because I ended up with one of those pieces and I ended up, there's a story behind it, I'll explain in a little while, but I ended up with a different piece. It wasn't cancelled, it wasn't that it wasn't available, it was available. I ended up sort of swapping it. I will explain all. So let's get these things open. Do we start with the big piece or the small piece? Let's start with the small one. So this, honestly, so the packaging is fabulous, absolutely fabulous. And there's been a lot of upset, hasn't there? There's been a lot of upset. A lot of people didn't get their packaging. They didn't get their shopping bag. They didn't get the ribbon. Some people didn't get the tissue. I didn't get the tissue. I don't think I did. Anyway, it is this. So you can see it is a normal box. I haven't seen any different boxes to these. Has anybody else seen packaging? They all seem to be the normal boxes, but then with the ribbon and the little panda, which has got the multicolour on the back, which is very cute. If you can see the ribbon. And a lot of people have been very upset because they didn't get the ribbon, but there has been a shortage. There has been a shortage. Anyway, let's get into it and I'm going to explain all about this one because it is so exciting. Well, it is to me anyway. So the ribbon is off and the box, it is an SLG. It is. So there's no tissue in this. And what did I choose? Well, I didn't order this. This is the one piece that I didn't order. I ordered something else and I ended up swapping it for this and I'm so happy, honestly. It is, look at this. This is the Romy card holder and it is in the white multicolour, and this is, I think the colour was called, was it Gaston Blue? But it's like I suppose like a bright teal or a aqua turquoise colour, I would call it. So it is in the leather, so you can see the beautiful leather and the card slots here, and then it has the LV on here and it has a zipper. So it is essentially a card holder, but it's just got a little zipped area just for a couple of receipts or some cash or something. And I just thought this colour was firstly insanely beautiful, secondly it just suited the white multicolour, and I just wanted a piece of white multicolour once I got into, well actually once I'd ordered everything and then I started seeing, I'd seen the whole lookbook. I hadn't even looked at any of the white items in the lookbook because my heart, my brain, everything goes straight to black. I love black, I love dark colours, so I didn't even look. And then, yeah, as time went on, I thought, why on earth did I not order something? And I saw this one, I was like, that one. And just let me show you this. I'm back. The reason that I wanted this particular colourway is I think it comes in pink also and a very pale green, like pale pistachio lime colour. But I was drawn to this one and then I realised why I was drawn to it. This is why I'm drawn to it. It is the exact colour. Pretty much it's the exact colour of my Speedy P9, so I just thought it's absolutely meant to be. So I'm just going to quickly tell you the story behind this. So I didn't actually order this, I ordered, and then when I saw this I thought, oh, I wish I'd have ordered this. And actually, yeah, so the story is that and I'll just check that I can share this before I put this out, and if not I will have edited this bit out and you won't even see it. But I went to collect my items with the gorgeous Claire from Claire Louise Looks, and Claire had also ordered, and unfortunately hers hadn't arrived, and we sort of knew that there was a possibility that it hadn't. And I just said to her, you can have mine, because I had regretted ordering it. and I didn't. Obviously I'm not going to resell it. I could have cancelled the order, and then when I realised Claire's wasn't coming, and it was pending, and I just thought, do you know, it gives me an opportunity. She can have it, which is just brilliant. She can get hers straight away, and I wasn't bothered about the order, and I just felt like I'd made a mistake. So that was sort of going to work out. And then I said to my gorgeous sales associate James, if you have one of these available, I would love one of these. Yeah, he managed to get me one. So we did a swap. We did cancelled orders and all the rest of it. And in the end, Claire got and didn't have to wait, and I got the one that I really wanted. So yeah, I'm so thrilled. So yeah, thank you to Claire for taking that off my hands. I know she was really thrilled as well, and it all worked out. And I'm so sorry to James, because that just complicated everything. We had to cancel orders and move things around and store credits and everything else, but anyway, I got it. Anyway, onto the big one, So the bag, this is the bag, and it is a decent sized box, isn't it? Does that give away anything? I think a few of you have already guessed and guessed correctly. Some didn't, and I'll explain why afterwards. But anyway, this is the packaging. It's the normal box, and then it does have the special ribbon on it and a little tag here again that's got the multicolour underneath. So that is the packaging. I don't know, as I say, anybody that's got any special packaging boxing. I just haven't seen anybody unbox one, so maybe they didn't do that, or maybe the whole thing's been delayed, because I know there's been a lot of upset over the ribbon. So let's get rid of that, and here is the box, and try and open this on screen. Oh, these are always very difficult to do. Again, no tissue paper, but I will get out the dust bag. Oh, and yes, I will just come back to this. I'll just come back to this in a minute. So this is the dust bag. Again, it's a normal dust bag. There's no special dust bag, which I was quite surprised at, to be honest. I thought there might be a special dust bag, but there isn't. So any ideas, guys? I think most of you probably will know now. You can see a bit of the black. It is the Speedy 30 in the black multicolour. Honestly, I knew that I would love it. I knew I would love it, but I adore it. So let me introduce you to my new Speedy multicolour 30, and I think it's classed as a Speedy soft, and the soft means that it is canvas, but on the inside it is leather lined, so it will slouch and soften over time. So let me introduce you. So it is the 30 size, and the colours are just so beautiful. They really are. It is quite a shiny finish. Not shiny, but just has that gloss to it, and I just think it's beautiful. So this is the side. So it has the D-rings on the side. It doesn't have the strip down here. It's like the Speedy P9. All the soft versions just have the little tab of leather here, and they have the D-rings. And that is the side, and then the back, and then the other side, and then the underneath. Now this is two pieces. So this is interesting. So I only realised the other day that my Speedy P9 actually has, let me just get it. So I am back. I realised the other day that the Speedy P9 is, on this side it is the right way up, the monogram, and on the back, like most Speedies, it is an upside down LV. So I thought it's like all the other Speedies where it's one piece that goes right through, and therefore this is upside down, but no, it's two pieces of leather, and that really surprised me. And actually on this one they are both the right way up, because it is two pieces of canvas. Go figure. There's no rhyme or reason. So yeah, this is it. It has a gorgeous clochette with the little bow, and it has a little ring here that you can put the padlock on, and it has the corners in the silver. So this has silver hardware, which is unusual for Louis Vuitton, but I think it goes so well with the black. I think the silver just complements the white in the design. I don't know, there's something for me where I just think silver is the one. So let's have a look inside it, because to be honest, I was so excited. We were in Louis Vuitton for about 3 hours and we looked at so many things, and then we went up to the apartment. We had champagne, we had coffee, we were just looking around, we were chatting, and I did open it and have a look at it before I brought it home, but I was too excited and I was with my friends and I didn't have a proper look at it, so so let's hope it's okay firstly. So it has the LV, hopefully this is coming up, it has the LV here on the zipper pull. It has, because I know you guys like all these details, on the tab here, hopefully that will come up, it has Louis Vuitton Paris on here. It hasn't got anything on the other side. Has it got anything underneath? No, nothing underneath. Any other things to show? And then it has 2 zippers, so they can meet in the middle. And what's interesting, and I'll show you this in a second, it's the care card. But yeah, the inside is black. It's not going to come out on screen, but it has a black leather lining, and it just feels really soft. And I will try and get this on the screen. It has a tag inside, which is the Murakami tag, and it says 20th anniversary celebration, Louis Vuitton, Murakami, made in France. And it has on it the symbols. So there's the flower, the panda, the cherries, and is that, I don't know what that is that like a fleur-de-lis? I can't really see what that is, but it has all the different symbols, and it's just, honestly, it is so light. And that was the one thing I was worried about. I was worried that it was going to be very heavy like the old version that I ended up selling, but this has got a lot less hardware on it, so yeah, it's really light. It reminds me of the Speedy graffiti that I absolutely adore. I think this will slouch and soften. However, it does come with, I'll show you this, it comes with another little dust bag. So let's get this open, and in there are the keys, and it comes with a Louis Vuitton padlock, which doesn't say, it just says Louis Vuitton Paris. There's nothing Murakami about it. So as I said, that can go on the little bow if you so desire. Now it does not come with a crossbody strap or a long shoulder strap. It comes with this. Now this is, you can see here, it's like a rolled shoulder strap, non-adjustable, obviously detachable. And this is the same strap that comes with the, was it the Crafty? I can't remember, was it called the Crafty Speedy? Which is the one that's got the full monogram, the normal brown monogram, and then it's edged in black leather, and then it has some silver chains and silver hardware, and that has this strap. So that is what it comes with. Now I think it looks really cool, and it goes over your shoulder really nicely, and I really like that, but I do want the opportunity to wear this crossbody as well. So I have a plan. I am back. I hope that this works, because this was my plan all along. I have this shoulder strap, and this is from the Louis Vuitton side trunk that I got a couple of years ago. So it is black, it's adjustable, obviously detachable, but it does have silver hardware, and I was hoping that this would work with this bag because I do want to wear it crossbody. I want the option at least. So there we go. It works, it works. I will do a proper full first impression and review and mod shots and all of those sort of things once I've had the opportunity to properly have a look at this. But I do think, because I have this strap already, that makes it into the bag I really want it to be. If I didn't have this strap and it only came with the shoulder strap, I think I would have been a little bit in two minds. I would have found another strap from somewhere, or I would have had to buy another one, which would have really annoyed me. But because I already had this one in silver hardware from the side trunk, I just thought, yes, yes please. So yeah, there it is. What do you guys think? Did you guess that I went for the Speedy? I have gone from having 30 years of buying luxury handbags and loving Louis Vuitton and never having a Speedy, to then buying the Damier Azur Speedy. I then bought the old version of this, which was the Speedy 30, the Murakami one from 20 years ago, which I subsequently sold, but I had bought that, so that was my second Speedy. Then I bought the Graffiti Speedy in New York, and then I bought the P9 Speedy. Where is it? I bought the P9 Speedy very recently, and now I've bought this one. So I have four. I have four Speedies, and I did have five. So go figure. I think the Speedy is fabulous, and I think it will never ever date. It hasn't in the last 20, 30, I don't know, when did the Speedy even come out? It came out, was it Louis Vuitton's very first ever bag design? So we're talking, is it even 100 years ago? It's a crazy amount of time that the Speedy style of bag has been around, and it is still going strong. Before I go, I completely forgot. When you buy something from the Murakami collection, you get a token, and the token is here. And this token is very, very special, apparently. There are pop-up stores all around. Now, I know one's coming to London, and it's going to be in Soho. It isn't open yet. I don't know where other ones are going to be, or there might already be some out there. I am sure that they are, but the one in London is coming soon. And you can take your token to the pop-up store, and there is a vending machine, and you can use this, and basically you will win something from the vending machine. And I think the prizes range from things like stickers, and I don't even know what else. There's bits and bats, and I think the main things that you could possibly win are some bag charms. Now, if it was that I could win one of the Speedy or the Alma bag charms, I'd be all over it. But yeah, it's worth having a go, isn't it? But I am not going to be in London again anytime soon. So I have decided I'm just going to keep this token because it's just gorgeous. And I don't know where I'm going to keep it, but I'm going to keep it. I don't know whether I can make it into a little bag charm. I might be able to. There is gaps in this bit here. I might be able to make it into a bag charm and actually put it on my Speedy, because my style is going more and more where I do want some bag charms. I don't know what on earth has happened to me, because I made a whole video on the fact that I don't like bag charms. Anyway, I just wanted to mention this because it is fabulous. Those are my pieces from Murakami. I am going to do another video where I'm going to tell you all about the weekend that I've had and the other things that I saw that I've loved. And I'll sort of do a wish list type thing as I'm going through that, because I saw some really amazing things from other brands as well as Louis Vuitton. So I'll round everything up in another video. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I love it, and I'm so glad that I've got a piece of the white multicolour. As soon as I saw this, I just thought, yes, 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 yes. I think I'll use it, but anyway, I hope that is not a mistake. And I am so glad that Claire got her. Absolutely thrilled. It all worked out, and yeah, we had a fabulous day. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on another one.